Tip number 1, making a resume.
Dito sa Canada, when applying for a corporate job.
First is yung pangalan. It's not about being choosy kung ano yung pangalan mo. It's about being strategic. You have to make sure na yung pangalan mo is easy to pronounce and easy to remember. One good example ay yung mga friends ko. I have two of them. One of them, ang pangalan niya is Abundancio. Tapos, pero pag nasa opisina siya, ang pinapatawag niya sa mga tao sa kanya is June. Ganun din ang kanyang resume. Why? Because June is easier to remember and pronounce than Abundancio. Same thing din, isa kong friend. Gurpreet ang totoong pangalan niya. At ang sabi niya, mula nung sa resume niya, pinalitan niya yung pangalan niya into Gary. Gary is his nickname. He's been getting the calls. Again, it has nothing to do with being racist or anything, but you have to be strategic. Dahil nandito ka sa Canada, sometimes mas madaling makapag-apply kapag yung pangalan mo madali nilang matandaan. It's psychological. It's not even about racism. Kahit sa marketing, kapag meron silang jingle, di ba? Or something na madaling matandaan, yun sa mga jingle ng mga commercials, like ng mga establishments. Why do you think they do that? Why do you think they make the name so it's easy to remember? Para they will get more business. And it's the same for you. You have to consider yourself as a business. At alam nyo ba, even the Chinese, Japanese, and Vietnamese people, when they come here, they are required to provide an English name para mas madali silang matandaan. Stay tuned for the next ones, and I hope that you have a beautiful day.